Emily likes to be on her swing. You should come see her. She's so cute, and when I swing it, it looks like she's swinging, but she loves it. And she's so cute when she swings. You should see her. Okay, wait here. I'm coming. Sorry, that's the drums. And look. Watch Emily. She can swim. She's right here. Wee. Look at Emily go. She's so cute. Woo, Emily. Yay, Emily. Emily's so cute. Yay, Emily. Woohoo. Yes. Look at Emily go. Wasn't that fantastic? See? Do you like Emily? Okay. Stay here. Nope. Okay. Okay, now stay there. See, do you like Emily? It's funny and it's